Hi everyone, do you know you can get 100 subscribers within a month? If you aren't sure of that, watch this video to the end. As I already said, in this video I will teach you how to make 100 subscribers within a month. Yes, within a month or even lesser, depending on how busy and how dedicated you are to your channel. So I will give you 7 tips and tricks on how to get your 100 subscribers within a month or even lesser. Actually, my own channel, I got my own first subscribers within the first 2 months. Do you know why it took me 2 months to achieve that? That's because I'm very busy. I'm into designing, into video making and editing, into teaching, into learning, into hearing lectures, and many other things that I do involved in daily. So, and I know you have much time to manage and dedicate to your own channel. The first tip is to brand your YouTube channel. How can you brand your YouTube channel? By having a logo for your channel and uploading an ad picture for your YouTube channel also. Those two things are very important. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please help to subscribe now. The second thing is to create quality and interesting videos. So your videos should be a quality and an interesting one by not making it dull, by putting some jokes amidst your video, and so on and so forth. The third is to upload videos on your YouTube channel consistently. For example, I do upload videos in the first 3 days or 4 days. So that's like 2 times in a week. So yours can also be maybe 2 times or once or 3 times, depending on how less busy you are. And the fourth is to upload short videos. Most importantly, for growing channels, you have to upload short videos, because in order to entice your new viewers and new subscribers, so you have to upload short videos like within 2 to 10 minutes videos. For example, you are now uploading 30-minute videos or 1 hour video. That's too much. People will get bored while watching, and before you know it, they would already swipe away from your video. And the fifth is to promote your videos. How can you promote your videos? This is where the real tip and hack is. How do I normally promote my own video? I promote my own video by sharing on my social media handles. For example, your WhatsApp, your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, and so on and so forth. And the very important thing and trick I normally do is that, for example, when I started my own channel, I create a group, like a free 2-month program that, oh people, I want to teach you how to design, how to make videos, and so on and so forth. And people started joining the first group, then the second group. So since you are making a free video for people, so you can just share your videos with them, and with that I gain more subscribers and more viewers. Don't be shy to send your videos to your friends, upload on your status. You can even create a broadcast list for your video also, and also you can share on Facebook to other groups which feature the same thing as yours. The sixth is to use intriguing titles for your video. For example, the title I use for this video, which is how to get 100 subscribers within a month. Oh, many people will be like, oh, I have to click on this video and watch. So you have to make your titles intriguing. Then the seventh is to use catchy thumbnails for your videos. And what are thumbnails? Thumbnails are designs viewers or your subscribers first see on your video. Men taking a glance on your video, that's the first part of your video they would see. So make sure you use high quality and catchy thumbnails. For example, like this one I did. So this is the end of how to get 100 subscribers within a month. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel in order to receive more videos, and you should like this video. And if you find this video helpful, help to like, help to comment, help to share, so that I can know maybe I should make more of this type of videos. See you later. Bye.